Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Baldi from Baldi's Basic. Let's get started at the top of our page with the head. So we'll be drawing an oval with an open end along the bottom. So let's start on the left side and curve out around the side of the oval. Now I'm going to make my way up to the top. I kind of want to point out the top, come down the right, and we'll pull that back in on the right side. Now we're going to locate the halfway point of this oval and we're going to draw the eyes on the upper half. Starting from the top, draw in a circle, and we'll do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to draw a smaller circle on the inside of the eye for the pupil. We're going to fill those in black, and let's do the same thing on the right side. Just above the eyes, we're going to add an eyebrow. So we're going to curve up and in. Starting from the outside, curve up and in. Do the same thing on the right, curving down. Now at the very top in the center, we're going to draw the hair, curving up and out towards the right. In between the eyes, I'm going to start with a point. We're going to draw the nose. So from here, almost like a raindrop. I'm going to curve down and out towards the left, round out the bottom of the nose, and then pull that back up towards that center point. Now let's move down and draw in the mouth. Starting on the left, we're going to draw a slight curve, coming down in the middle, then back up on the right. Now we're going to go back to the left, we're going to curve down even further, down the bottom of the mouth, and then back up on the right. I want to split the mouth in half. Starting from the left, we're going to come in between, and then back up on the right. Now from the bottom of the head, we're going to draw two straight lines coming down towards the base of the neck. Now I'm going to connect these 2 points with a curve. Let's take the bottom corners of the neck and draw a straight line going out towards the shoulder, about the same width as the head. Now we're going to come down along the side of the body. Starting on the left side, we're going to draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the hip. Go to the right and do the same thing. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with a slight curve coming down the middle and then back up. Let's move back up and draw on the sides of the arm. Starting from the corner of the body, we're going to angle down and out towards the elbow, and then we're going to do the same thing on the right side. Now from the elbow, we're going to come straight down towards the wrist. Now we just want to round out the wrist. Starting from the outside, we're going to curve down, and then back up. Now I'm going to follow the outside of the arm on the inside. Start at the bottom, we're going to go up towards the inside of the elbow, and we're going to angle up and in behind the body. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with the wrist, and we're going to go up towards the inside of the elbow, and we'll angle up in behind the body. Let's add in the hand. Starting on the left side, from the inside of the wrist, we're going to curve in, round this out, and then pull that up for the thumb. Let's do the same thing on the right. Curving in, rounding up the thumb, and then going back out. Now I'm going to wrap 3 fingers coming around the thumb. Starting from the inside, we're going to come down and in. We're going to round out the finger, and then just follow that same curve going back up. We'll add 2 more fingers. At the bottom of this finger, we're going to curve down, and then back up. And again, we'll do this one more time. Now we're going to pull this up in underneath the cuff. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now let's move in and draw on the legs. From the hip, we're going to step in, draw a slight angle, coming down and out towards the bottom of the foot. Do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to step in and draw the inside of the leg. Following that same angle, coming down and out to the same height. Now let's round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to connect these 2 points with a curve. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to draw on the top of the foot. We're going to take these 2 corners and draw a curve going up in the middle and then back down. It's almost like drawing a half circle. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Baldi from Baldi's Basic. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.